Friendship. Good. Sparring. Oh, let's try it again. We're moving slow again. Gotta move fast. Friendship. Sparring. Alright, now tap your back leg for me. You're going to use your back leg front kick. Hey, and then back. Yes, ma'am? Yes, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, hands up. Ready, and one.
Hey.
Good. Front kick. Ready, and two.
Hey.
Good. Hands are up. Ready, three.
Hey.
Good. Ready, and four.
Hey.
Good. Now tap your front leg. You're going to use your front leg front kick. Ready, and one.
Hey.
Well, front leg, Brennan. So you're going to go, hey. There you go. Ready, and hands up fast. Ready, go.
Hey.
Good. Even stronger. Ready, go.
Hey.
One more big yell, Carson. Let me hear you.
Hey.
There you go. One more, Brennan. Show me.
Hey.
There you go. Good. Show us attention. Good. And as a matter of fact, we have Brennan scoot over a little bit this way and sit down. Good. We have Carson take one giant step that way. Quick. Carson, look where I'm pointing. Thank you. Show me attention. Friendship. Both of you. Let's go. Let's try it again. Attention. Come on, guys. Stay with me. Stay focused. Hands come up. Friendship. So you're going to say sparring form, one man. You're going to do your 4 movements. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Say yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All right. Ready? Carson, stop moving, sir. Ready, and begin.
One back.
Hi-ya!
Hey.
Good.
Hi-ya.
Yell on the punch.
Hey.
Good. Front hand first, though. Back punch. Good. Where's the hi-ya, Carson? Don't punch again. Good. Try it again. Ready? Position. That was a warm-up. You guys got to be louder, okay? Scoot over, Carson. Scoot over. So don't kick each other. Ready? Say sparring form, one man. Go! Hi-ya! Do it on your own, guys. The card. You have to yell. Time out. Kyle, you can't go. You can't keep going. I just want to see it one time. Yes, ma'am? All right, let's try it again. I need you to yell on the punches. Okay, Carson? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ready? Say sparring form, one man. Hi-ya! Good. Jakai. Better. Good. Show us attention. Good. We have you stand up, Brennan. Say yes, ma'am. Good. Move over here. All right. Face your judges. Attention. And bow. Good job. Have a seat over there. Say yes,